Hey guys, I thought I'd make a little video unboxing the new Turnstile record, Never Enough. You got a little sticker in the corner. I got the jet ski vinyl, the light blue cover with the rainbow going across. And you flip it over, and you got all the song titles on one side. And you got a little quote on the bottom from one of the songs. And the photo of the band performing, which was taken by Atiba Jefferson. And as soon as you pull out the insert, you got the photo of Daniel playing drums in the studio with a little quote on the bottom. And you flip it over and you got the full band inside the studio recording. And as soon as you open it up, you got all the song titles and all the lyrics laid out. Personally, my favorites so far are Soul, Light Design, Birds, and I would probably say Sun Shower. All the lyrics laid out. In the middle, you got the photo of Brendan in the recording studio. And opposite side, you got the rest of the songs and all the lyrics as well. And on the bottom, little thanks. And let's pull the record out. We got the jet ski vinyl. Beautiful blue mix colors across. Light blue with the dark blue kind of mixed in, almost looking like the ocean from the Never Enough music video. And there you have it, guys. The new record by Turnstile, Never Enough. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comments. Let me know if you want more, and I'll see you guys next time.